I'm delighted and I'm grateful that the province has released the Stevenson report and that they are doing, their first step into implementing the recommendations.
The Manitoba government is investing more than $15 million to strengthen and improve its long-term care system. Premier Heather Stephenson and Long-Term Care Minister Scott Johnson announced Wednesday afternoon that the funding will go towards implementing the 17 recommendations in the Stevenson Review, an independent external report following the deadly COVID-19 outbreak at the Maples Long-Term Care Home in 2020.
We know that the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted our seniors more than anyone else, and tragically we saw those impacts in our long-term care homes, where systemic issues contributed to some seniors losing their lives.
The funding will be used to enhance infection prevention and control measures within the long-term care sector, support over 200 full-time allied health and housekeeping staff, and improvements to information and communication technology.
We're all looking forward to having more staff, and especially the allied health staff, which I refer to as our quality of life staff. Those are occupational therapists, physiotherapists, recreational therapists. Those are the folks that make our residents a home for the seniors.
Care Home Associations say the COVID-19 pandemic has shined a harsh light on long-term care over the past 2 years.
When COVID hit in the first wave, some homes lost half of their staff overnight. So having more staff on hand will certainly help.
We're still in a pandemic, so that infection and protection, having more housekeepers, etc., is meaningful. And now, we're just going to have to see what the next priorities are going to be.
Though Turin Maynard acknowledges the government's pledge, she believes this investment is only the tip of the iceberg.
There are 125 personal care homes in Manitoba, over 10,000 residents in care. So you can just do the math and see that 15 million doesn't go very far. But as I mentioned, it's a good first step, and they're addressing issues that are very critical right now.
These associations say this is a great start towards developing the long-term care system, and they look forward to future implementations. In Winnipeg, Breanna Marcelo, City News.